Hey everybody, today we got the Elgato here. This is the random. I just got this in the mail. It finally came, and we're going to be doing an unboxing video. That's what the back looks like. Front, side, top, other side, and the bottom. Okay. I'm gonna set this here. This is gonna be hard. Oh, there we go. There's already kind of a little hole in it. Tear off the plastic here and find out what's in this box. Throw that off to the side. This is gonna be so hard with one hand. I gotta figure out this thing. Don't have any kind of the next thing I need to get is a what are they called? I can't even think of it now. Come on. Get it to come out. There we go. Okay, I got it out of this piece here. Now here's the box. And that looks like bottom. We're gonna open this up like so. Look how bigger than I thought it was. There's the Elgato. The get started guide. I'll pull that out. And it's wrapping right now. One end, the other end, and the sides. Okay. And then this opens up like so. And you got your cord here for, I can't remember what this one's for. But, should say inside. That's for. You got this cord here. I'll set these over to the side here. You got an HDMI cord. And some kind of AV cord here. Here's some kind of Spanish. I don't know what that is. Here's this thing. That's a back. Put that over to the side. We got one more here. Set that over to the side. Okay. And there is the Game Capture HD Elgato. It says for next gen PS4, Xbox One, and Wii U up here at the top. But I am going to use it for PS3. So, you guys will be seeing a video coming up soon with the Elgato here. I'm going to be messing with this thing all night tonight, just to get it working for you guys, so we can get some good video content up. If anybody knows some good ways how to use these, let me know. I'm going to be doing some farming simulator. My GTA 5 game is not working at this point, so I will be doing some a farming simulator series, and after I get that done, or maybe in the middle of that even, I might switch over to GTA 5 if I can get it working right. I did submit a response to Rockstar, and I don't know if they've got back to me yet, so I'm gonna check that out. But this is the random. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. And if you're new, please subscribe and check out some of my latest greatest content. See ya.